brought this on yourself.
Okay, now we just need to fill out your dating bio. So, who are you? I know what your name is. Smart. But to get girls online, you have to be more than a smartass. You have to be serious. Great. Now we just need a strong opening line. I am. Fine. I'll just write down that you're boring. Yeah, channel that energy into your... Look, my bio says I can save them from their... I'm serious! Online dating is a free-for-all with a week at nothing. Okay, you're funny, and girls like jokes. So, do you have any? That you do. You know what? I'm going to write that you're a lovable smartass. Now we have to pretty you up in Picture Shop. Don't worry, I'm really... What? Everybody does. I know, right? Oh, dude, by the way, I need to show you something.
The Eternights miracle anti-aging drug is now set for its global launch tomorrow.
No, not that. Right? Isn't Yuna just amazing? Her channel has like 50 billion. And dude, who knows? If we work really hard on our profiles, maybe even girls like her will swipe right on them. Anyway, the pre-sale for tickets already... Do you want to come? Okay, we didn't get any swipes today, but we don't want things to be too easy, yeah? Trust me, in a couple of months, we'll have plenty to choose from. I'll see you, dude. Dude, this new dating app... this one is cool. Based on that, it matches you with some... Here's the link. Dope! Tell me...
Want me to send you dirty pictures? That... you passed. We're going out on a date. Oh, don't play hard to get. We were brought together by an we were... Let's have a yacht date. Doesn't that sound romantic? Exactly. Okay, let's meet at...
on my way to the shelter. Okay. Dude, what was, like, where did he come from? I managed to grab a few essentials before coming over. Oh, by the way. Hey, the world is ending. You think we'll have roommates? Huh. You think we'll have roommates?
Breaking news. A massive wall has appeared.
Dude, did you see all the people attack?
A mysterious infection continues to spread across the globe. Again, the infected are aggressive and will attack on sight. Stay inside.
Dude, Okay. What's that? This is real. Go close the door.
Do you think we're the only survivors left?
For the last time,
We just saw a broadcaster get eaten. What if I'm next?
could we just have 1 minute where we don't talk about dying?
When you were on TV, were you only pretending to be nice?
Okay,
What? Forget your. She didn't make it to the shelf.
well, since you're so sure.
Wait for.
I can't believe we're leaving our room. I can hear. Oh, never mind. That's just us. Okay, dude. Just be ready to run. my god!
Who cares who she is? We're all going to die.
You're not helping,
What are you doing? You're the pop star.
Damn it, Lena. The world is ending for me too.
So,
No, it's...
awesome.
Who are you again?
Oh, I'm Chuck.
Haha, very funny.
He didn't even want to go to your concert. He said, Sean, it was a whole thing.
What are you people?
Oh, you're right.
Have you seen a girl with long black a mole under her left eye?
You mean Jisoo?
Ew, we're risking our lives for that.
Warning. The shelter has been compromised.
We need to...
What?
We're all going to die.
Lena, how about we focus... We may...
Oh, yeah, that...
Let's hope the rest is... Dodge!
These people don't.
Huh. What sort of sick
You're probably going.
Honestly, Lena,
You being nice to me would calm.
Eiji Duelio. Nan Han Guan Anha.
Lena, no!
Officer, please help.
Guys, we gotta go! Run!
We can hide in those lockers! Why are you in here? Shh. Don't answer. Hold your breath. here? Shh. Don't answer. Hold your breath. I think he's gone. Let's get out of here.
Yuna, are you...
Why didn't... I'm not a...
What? You're a witch!
Shut...
Then how did you get this?
I met this strange...
I've met
in my dreams, Chani.
Wait, your dream? Actually...
There's beef...
Of course the lights are...
People! I'm here to evacuate you.
Is Jisoo-han in this...
One moment. My apologies. However, the system is currently unstable. We really must get to the train. Now!
Don't struck. It'll just make things... Finally, I found you. I'm sorry.
I told you yachts were super romantic. Can't you feel the love in the air? Baby. Yes, you lost your arm, but I'm super excited. The last seat I was on was 800 years ago. I look much better than my profile picture, don't I? By the way, barely. Did she really think cutting off your arm could stop me? I mean, congratulations. You've been chosen. No, actually, you have been chosen. Here are the benefits. Survival, having to fight a superpower. Don't worry. Don't you want to be the hero that suffers tremendous and... Good boy. Survive first.
Damn it! She's just using you! That's what she does. She uses people.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Why don't you just... You were too late. Return to me, Delia. Yes, Umbra, right away.
Dude!
Hey! You're alive. Calm down. Look, I know onboarding can be difficult, but you handled it like a pro. So, here is... You see that ugly, disgusting tree? That is Umbra. Her rat broke in here and stole the stone. The stone is the source of... I've used it pretty well, if I might add. But now, Umbra wants to... We cannot. If that happens, everything... Umbra and I are arc of the human mind, and humanity can only have one of us. So how do we decide who stays? Well, if the stone is used by an arc, and if I fall asleep. I love who we are, so you are going to help me. Unfortunately, she created the... See that depressing, tiny, tiny little dot? That's you! I've seen your dot, buddy. I've put my power into your arm. Take it and transport it because, Oh, do not.
Dude, are you alright? Dude, we stole a lot of porn. You need to be more specific. Oh, you mean you threw that away? Dude, I didn't know you... I'll burn it all, don't worry.
Okay, I am done listening.
Yeah,